You are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you coding section and special curves chapter. It is applicable for diploma, ITI and engineering students. This problem is of 10 to 15 marks. So watch my videos till the end and practice by yourself. By practicing only you will come to understand how to draw and how to draw it easily with my process, with my skills. So today I am showing you parallelogram method, and now I am coming on my problem. Construct an ellipse in a parallelogram of included angle 75 degree and sides 120 mm and 80 mm. Find the major and minor axis of the ellipse. Before starting this question, I am going to explain you something, that you have to construct an parallelogram. You have to construct an ellipse by parallelogram. Means parallelogram will be like somewhat angle tilted, like a rectangle only, but it is having in some angle. Means in the question he has given you angle 75 degree. So your parallelogram you have to draw 75 degree, and that rectangle sides you are having 120 mm and 80 mm. Means 120 like this and 80 like this. So angle having 75 degree. And also you have to find the major and minor axis of the ellipse. So in the question it doesn't say by parallelogram method, but in the sentence there is a parallelogram. In parallelogram you have to draw the ellipse. Okay, so how to draw? I am showing you. First, how much is the base? Means 120 mm. First you have to draw 120 mm, means 12 centimeters like this. Then you have to keep your protractor on one end and take 75 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75 here, dot, put a dot here and keep on another end and same 75, put a dot. Okay, and by putting that you have to draw a line from that point, from this end. How much is the height? 80 mm, so 8 centimeter you have to draw like this. And here also with that angle point here 8 centimeter you have to draw like this, and you have to join the other two ends and make a line like this. This is the parallelogram. You have to show the angle also. For example, I am extending this, and this angle is of 75 as given in the question, 75 degree. Then after, as same you have ellipse constructed by the rectangle method, same process we have to do for this parallelogram also, means to construct an ellipse. So how to do? First you have to label here A, B, C, D. Then you have to divide this into 4 equal parts. This parallelogram means this side, this line is of 12 centimeter. Now 12 centimeter half will be 6. Put a dot, and upside also you have to, upward line also you have to take a 6 like this, and take a, you have to draw the line from the 2 points. Label is as M and N. And same this lines you have to also divide. This is of 80. So 80's half will be 40. Put a point. Here also 80's half will be of 40. Put a point. Draw a line. This line is label is at S or T. You can label it as usually you can do by yourself, or you can take any labeling for the drawing. S, T, any alphabet you can take. Okay, so this point will be the ellipse origin O. Then after you have to do the same process as done in the rectangle method to construct an ellipse. So you have to divide this line into 8 equal parts. Means this is of 12. 12 divided by 8 means each part will be of 1.5. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Okay, now you have to number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Then this 80 also you have to divide into 8 equal parts. 80 divided by 8 means 10. 10 means 10 mm means 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. This line also you have to divide it. 1 centimeter. Okay, after dividing you have to number it here. If 1 is there, you have to write it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Downwards also 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. And here if 6 is there, 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash. Like this you have to number it. Then after you have to draw a line from M to 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Okay, same as 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. How means, for example, from M to 1 dash, you have to construct a line from M to 2 dash, M to 3 dash, M to 4 dash, M to 5 dash, M to 6 dash. Okay, then after from the N, you have to make a line by joining from N to 1 and till 1 dash. For example, from N, 1 dash. Okay, same for 2 also, from N to 2 dash line. From N, 3 dash. Means these points you will getting the ellipse points. So label it as P1, P2, this will be P3. And same process for here also you have to do from N, 4 dash. And for 5 also from N, 5 dash. And for 6 also from N, 6 dash. And here half points you will get. This will be P4, P5, and this will be P6. Means half ellipse points you got. Now for the another half you have to do the same process opposite. For example, from N you have to join the lines to 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. For example, from N you have to make this from N to 1 dash, N to 2 dash, N to 3 dash, N to 4 dash, N to 5 dash, N to 6 dash. Okay, now from the M you have to make a line by joining 1 till 1 dash. For example, from M, 1, from M, 1 dash. Okay, for 2 also same, from M to 2 dash. This is a 2 dash line. From M, 3 dash. Okay, these points you got. For the same also you have to do from M, 4 dash. From 5 also, from M, 5 dash line. And from 6, from M, 5. Like this you have to remove the points, and this point will be P1 dash, this will be P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash, and this will be P6 dash. Okay, now after removing all the points of the ellipse, you have to construct an ellipse by your free hand. You have to make the curves from S to P1 like this, P1 to P2, P3, then M to P4, P5, P6, then T, P6 dash, P5 dash, P4 dash, then N, then P3 dash, then P1 dash, then P1 dash, P2, P1, then what? Last S1. Then you have to dark this ellipse with your free hand only. You have constructed an ellipse by parallelogram method. Now you have to show the major axis. Means you have to find the major axis. You have to extend this line its major axis is same as how much you took this side. How much it is? 120. So 120 is the major axis and minor axis is 80. You have to extend the lines. This is minor axis and this is of 80 mm. So label it as. This is the complete solution for the ellipse by parallelogram method. So you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob. Please, if you like my videos, please watch till the end and like my videos, subscribe, and please comment in my YouTube channel inbox. Thank you.